we put our AC ducts and air handlers in a hot attic that's 180 degrees, 150 degrees, maybe more, we have an inherent problem with both managing the temperature of the air coming out, but also we have a problem with condensation. In addition to that, we have a problem with the condensate drain potentially getting clogged and overflowing, plus who's going up there to change the filters on the air to filter the air. So what I would say is it needs to be in a conditioned space, and know that a conditioned space is not an insulated attic. Conditioning means that there is heating and cooling provided, available to be provided to the space,